Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best S7 Edge battery is probably one of the most crucial components of your phone, and a failing battery can turn a great device into a frustrating paperweight. Today, we're diving deep into the S7 Edge's battery life, exploring its performance, and discussing what you can expect from it in various usage scenarios. We'll cover everything from standby time to heavy gaming, so you can make an informed decision about your device's power. Number 5. Galaxy S7 5800 mAh replacement battery with Toolkit. Is your Galaxy S7's battery draining too fast? This upgraded battery is designed to bring your phone back to life. It's a perfect replacement to restore your phone's power. This battery uses grade A+ rated cells and is CE and RoHS certified. It has multiple protection features to ensure safe operation. It prevents overcharging, overdischarging, and overheating. This high-capacity battery is compatible with various Samsung Galaxy S7 models. It fits perfectly and ensures your phone works like new. Check the list to see if it's the right fit for your device. For optimal performance, fully discharge and recharge the battery for the first few cycles. This will help it reach its full capacity and extend its lifespan. Remember to repeat this process for best results. Save money and revive your phone's battery life with this replacement. It allows you to quickly swap batteries and get back to 100% power. It's a simple solution for a common problem. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, contact our customer service. We offer refunds or replacements to address any quality concerns. Purchase with confidence. What we like. This battery offers a significant capacity upgrade, ensuring your S7 stays powered longer. It also has multiple protection features, guaranteeing safe operation. If you're tired of constantly searching for a charger and value safety, you should consider this option. What people say. The battery life is significantly improved. The battery life is great and lasts all day. It fits perfectly and works great. Number 4. Wonderfly Samsung Galaxy S5 S6 S7 Horizontal Holster. Introducing the Wonderfly Horizontal Holster. This is a premium leather carrying case designed for your phone. It's perfect for those who need easy access to their device. The magnetic self-closing flap provides quiet and easy access. It keeps your phone secure while allowing for quick retrieval. This feature adds convenience to your daily routine. The sideways design pouch keeps your phone within reach. This design allows for easy access to your phone. It's a convenient way to carry your device. Made from premium quality soft leather. This case offers both style and protection. It feels great in your hand and protects your phone. Compatible with Samsung Galaxy S5, S6, S6 Edge, or S7. It fits phones with battery extenders or cases. This case offers versatile protection for your device. The package includes one black horizontal leather carrying case. It's everything you need to protect your phone. Get yours today. What we like. This carrying case is designed for convenience, with a belt clip and easy access to your phone. It's made of premium leather, offering both style and protection. If you like having your phone readily available and appreciate a classic look, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The battery life is great. It fits perfectly and works great. The battery works great. Number 3. MAXBEAR Galaxy S24 Ultra 5500 mAh replacement battery. Is your phone's battery draining too fast? This replacement battery from MAXBEAR is designed specifically for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. It will bring your phone back to life. This battery is made with top-grade battery cells for long-lasting performance. It also has a built-in microchip to protect against overcharging and overheating, ensuring its safety. This battery is exclusively for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, model SM, S928 and SM, S928U. Please note that it is not compatible with other Galaxy S24 models. The replacement battery has a 5500 mAh capacity and operates at 3.85 V. It is a lithium-ion battery, providing reliable power for your device. We offer a 12-month warranty to ensure your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This battery brings your S24 Ultra back to life, acting like a brand new phone. It's made with top quality cells, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability. If you are looking to refresh your phone's battery life, you should consider this. What people say. The battery life is great. The battery works perfectly. The battery is a perfect fit. Number 2. JUFUD 9800 mAh battery for Galaxy S7 Edge. Introducing the JUFUD replacement battery. This high-capacity battery is designed specifically for your S7 Edge, offering a significant upgrade over the original. This battery is compatible with various Galaxy S7 Edge models, including G935V, G935A, G935T, G935P, and G935R4. Make sure it fits your phone before you buy it. With a 9800 mAh capacity, this battery provides more power and extends your phone's standby time. It solves the problem of insufficient power from old batteries. The battery uses Grade A+ rated cells with CE and RoHS certifications. It has multiple protection features to prevent overcharging, overdischarging, and overheating, ensuring safe operation. For easy installation, we recommend watching a video guide. Novices can easily install it. We offer 24-hour email service. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help. What we like. This high-capacity battery extends your S7 Edge's life, solving the problem of insufficient battery life. It also includes a repair kit for easy installation. If you're looking for a long-lasting solution and prefer a DIY approach, you should consider this. What people say. The battery life is great. The battery is easy to install. The battery works perfectly. Number 1. ASDAWN Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge Battery Replacement Kit. This replacement battery kit is designed for the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, model SM-G935. The kit includes tools and instructions to guide you through the installation process. Our professional engineers are ready to assist with any questions you may have. For the best results, use your original charger and cable. It's recommended to fully discharge the battery during the first 3 uses before charging. You'll achieve its full potential after a few charge and discharge cycles. This ASDAWN battery boasts a 3600 mAh capacity, providing fast and efficient charging. It offers up to 48 hours of use, restoring your phone's battery life and saving you money. Choose this battery to bring your phone back to its original performance. The battery uses Grade A rated cells for longer life and efficient charging. It's manufactured and tested under strict quality control. Built-in microchips protect against overcharging, short circuits, and overheating, ensuring safe operation for both you and your device. We stand behind our product with a replacement or refund for any quality issues. Our products are made in automated workshops and inspected by professionals. We are committed to delivering superior performance and exceeding your expectations. What we like. This battery offers a high capacity, giving you more time between charges. It's also safety tested, ensuring reliable performance. If you are looking for a reliable battery with a focus on safety, you should consider this. What people say. The battery life is great. The battery life is much better than the original battery. It fits perfectly and works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.